Hey there, so I just found this guide for you on Reddit about the Sony, and if it's not charging, like what are the things you can actually try to do. So first, what you want to do, you want to turn the camera off, then you want to plug in the charger and wait for the orange light. When the orange light comes on, wait for it to turn off, and if the light hasn't turned off, congratulations recharging and no need to read on. If the light has turned off, take out the battery while everything is connected and reinsert the battery. So these are the things that you can try to do, and maybe it's going to actually like fix the issue for you. I just want to make this quick video like what you can do. And yeah, and even people wrote here that it actually like helped. So yeah, also the same thing here. uh then like the cable needs to be an Apple cable, and you help them to charge it for the A7C too. So this was another thing, and have a great day and goodbye.